You want to crush it in e-commerce? You want to build a brand that doesn't just exist, but dominates? This ain't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, the hustle, the relentless execution. We're talking market research, killer branding, and a website that converts like crazy. Over the next few minutes, I'm gonna break it down for you, step by freaking step. No BS, just actionable advice you can use right now to get your e-commerce game on point. Get ready to dive deep because we're about to unlock the secrets to building an e-commerce empire. First things first, you gotta know who you're selling to. Who's your ideal customer? What keeps them up at night? What are their pain points, their desires, their aspirations? That means market research, baby. Dive deep into your niche, analyze your competition. What are they doing right? What are they doing wrong? What's your unique selling proposition? Remember, you're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution, an experience, a feeling. Look, I know paperwork isn't sexy, but it's crucial to building a legit business. We're talking business registration, choosing the right legal structure, PLC, sole proprietorship, etc. Getting those permits and licenses in order. Don't even think about skipping this step, trust me. Get your business bank account set up, get your tax ID number, and make sure you're compliant with all the regulations in your industry. It might seem overwhelming at first, but there are resources out there to help you navigate the legal maze. Get a good lawyer, a good accountant, and build a solid foundation for your empire. Your online store is your digital storefront, so make it count. Choose an e-commerce platform that aligns with your needs and budget. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, there are tons of options out there. Do your research, compare features, and pick the one that fits your business like a glove. Next up, your domain name. This is your online address, so make it memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand. And don't forget about hosting. You need a reliable web host to keep your site up and running smoothly. Now let's talk design. Your website needs to be visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. High-quality product photos, compelling copy, easy navigation, and a seamless checkout process are non-negotiable. Your online store is your digital storefront, so make it count. Choose an e-commerce platform that aligns with your needs and budget. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, there are tons of options out there. Next up, your domain name. Make it memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your brand. You need a reliable web host to keep your site running smoothly. Your website needs to be visually appealing and user-friendly. You've built an amazing online store. Now it's time to tell the world about it. This is where marketing comes in, baby. We're talking content marketing, SEO, social media, email marketing, paid advertising, the whole 9 yards. First, define your brand. What do you stand for? What's your voice, your tone, your message? Once you have a strong brand identity, you can start creating content that resonates with your target audience. Blog posts, videos, social media updates, infographics, the possibilities are endless. The key is to provide value, engage your audience, and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Before you go full throttle with your launch, it's crucial to do a soft launch. This is like a test run where you can iron out any kinks, gather feedback from early adopters, and make sure everything is running smoothly. Invite a select group of friends, family, or loyal customers to test out your website. Provide feedback on your products and identify any areas for improvement. Pay attention to their feedback, analyze your website data, and make necessary adjustments. This is your chance to fine-tune your operations and ensure a flawless customer experience. All right, you've put in the work, you've tested, you've optimized. Now it's time to unleash your brand upon the world. Your full launch is all about creating a buzz, generating excitement, and driving traffic to your store. Leverage public relations, influencer marketing, and social media to spread the word. Run targeted advertising campaigns, offer irresistible launch discounts, and collaborate with other businesses in your niche. The key is to be creative, be bold, and make some noise. Launching your e-commerce store is a huge accomplishment, but it's just the beginning. The real work starts now, growing your business, building a loyal customer base, and staying ahead of the game. Continuously gather customer feedback, analyze your website data, and adapt to changing market trends. Explore new marketing channels, expand your product lines, and consider international expansion. Never stop learning, never stop innovating, and never ever stop hustling. That's it. You're ready to conquer the world of e-commerce. Remember, success isn't about luck. It's about hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. Stay focused, stay hungry, and never give up on your dreams. For those looking for an extra push, check out the Business Mentorship Services from Trade and Investment Bangladesh, TIB. They can provide personalized guidance and support to take your business to the next level. Contact +880-15536766767. info@tradeandinvestmentbangladesh.com, https://tradeandinvestmentbangladesh.com. Now go out there and make it happen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing content.
Thank you very much.